Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title is Application and Construction of Deep Learning Network in Medical Imaging. Now we are going to see the project abstract. So here for medical imaging we are taking the MRI brain tumor images to segment the tumors. So the brain tumor is a cluster of abnormal tissue and it is essential to categorize brain tumors for treatment using MRI. So the segmentation of tumor from brain MRI is understood to be the complicated and also crucial task. It can be further used in surgery, medical preparation and assessment. So in addition to this, the brain MRI classification is also essential. The enhancement of machine learning and technology will aid radiologists in diagnosing tumors without taking invasive steps. In this process, we are going to detect the brain tumor and the classification has been present. Brain tumor process through pre-processing and tumor segmentation. Here we are using a deep learning algorithm for segmenting the tumor from the MRI image. So here we successfully applied within the medical imaging field to address problems such as disease classification and tumor segmentation. So it is difficult or impossible to determine which image features are relevant. Tumor brain MRI is segmented using CNN based VGG19 unit architecture. The performance of this approach is evaluated by loss and accuracy metrics. Now we are going to see the workflow of the process. So this is the flow diagram. So first we are taking the input image and the data set of the MRI image. So then load the data set. After loading we are going to pre-process it. In the pre-processing step we are going to do null value checking. So after checking the null value we are going to visualize the data. So in that we are going to show the death counts. If the value will be arises from 0 means there is no death and 1 is count of death. So then splitting the data into train and test, so it's called the feature selection. So after we selected the features, then we are going to generate the image using data augmentation. After data augmentation we are going to segment the tumor from our MRI image using a deep neural network called CNN with VGG19 unit architecture. So then after that we are going to predict the model and then finally we are going to visualize the prediction result. Now we are going to see the running procedure of the process. So this is the process. Now we are using a Google Colab in it. So have to insert the project and dataset inside the drive of your own mail. So then you have to open the Google Colab notebook. Afterwards you have to mount the drive in this folder, files or folders. So then you have to open the notebook and you have to just run. If you run like this, the result will be displayed under the code. So this is pre-processing. Here we are checking a null values and the not a directory file likewise. So then path of image and the mask. So now the directory will be loaded as a data frame. So then here it will visualize the data. So 0 is non-affected persons and 1 is affected persons. So here after it forms a data frame, it checks the null value. There is no null value is there. So the data type is object. So now the unit VGG19 unit segmentation is started running here. So these are all the layers under the unit. A total parameter is this and trainable is this and non-trainable parameter is this. Now the apertures are started running. The apertures are running. Oh, 60 apertures is running. So on the final result will be the was improved it. So like this. So this is the loss graph and this is the accuracy graph. The final visualization result is like this. This is the original image and this is the original mask and this is the predicted mask. This is the ground truth of original mask and this is the predicted mask. So it's coming for all the images like this. So this is the final prediction visualization. So prediction using VGG19 unit. So visualize like this. Thank you for watching this video.